Nick's 20B again. Manifold was cracked. A little update in this one. A little bit on Preston's FB. Since then, his transmission stopped going into reverse, so it's something we got to address now. And now that Nick's 20B is all buttoned up with the exhaust, I think we're having an issue with his throwout bearing. So that's going to be next. We've got a couple more projects coming on the way. We've got this 4-port Rx7 motor for the red Rx7 that's bridge ported. I gotta slap that together. Irv's car, basically, we went and picked up a REW that's a full bridge port and I guess S5 rotating assembly in it. So we're pulling the Turbo 2 motor out and sticking that in. And then Jordan's car, we decided to not go with the factory ECU, and we're putting this Mega Squirt in the car in the next week or so. And then the plan is to rebuild this here Hemi for the Cornet, and we'll be working on that as well. So yeah, got a lot going on, and then we've got some other stuff too lined up. Yeah, so this is what I got right now. Hopefully I'll have some more soon. Weather's starting to turn already. It's getting cold out, and did a lot putting the road in for the shop and marking it all out. So that's been taking up a lot of time. So, well, enjoy. It's kind of a thrown together video, but better than nothing, I guess. So, a little busy day. Got to fix the cracked manifold in this. It's cracked down in here. Probably can't see it. No, but could do a gauge cluster in this. Mass airflow sensor, map sensor, and sob. Preston's got his FC wheels on, FC brakes. And he's got to make his bracket, hook up his electric fans, water pump belts, Rx7 fuel pressure sensor, that coolant temperature sensor. So that, and then I'll probably make a strut tower brace for this and go with that. But yeah, gauge cluster in this decides that the tach doesn't want to read right, the speedometer doesn't go above 40. So that's plan of attack on that. A couple other little things, and yeah, got this running fairly square, but that exhaust leak is creating some issues with wideband readings and stuff. So we'll get that fixed on that. I did clean it up quite a bit in here compared to what it was, and yeah, Chris's FC's running good. Clutch is slipping though now, so you start making a little power with it. 14 pounds boost, and it decided to let loose. Hey, you can drive it normal, you just can't drive it in boost. Jordan, he's finally getting somewhere on that. He's running power wires right now. He's got a battery, fuel pump relays, all that good stuff. And he might have that thing running tomorrow or today. We'll see. That I just don't feel like touching. So we'll be right back. Well, we haven't done an update on this in a little while, so we got the strut tower brace on. We got all new struts on. We got FC four lug spindles on the car now that were off my old race car. Got the FC rims and tires. Just put a FC water pump on it. FC alternator. We got the direct fire. Started cleaning it up a little bit. and took it out for a ride last night. We got it on the road now, and drives like a brand new car, actually. So, got the direct fire ignition. Still gotta make a bracket for the coil, but he's getting there, slowly but surely. And put new sway bar bushings in. Just gotta find some seats. So if anybody's got some seats out there, that'd be cool. Yeah, the race and beat exhaust is on. Drives nice, and we're gonna finish buttoning some of the stuff up because we just did the water pump. We got dual belts on it. Just cleaned all that up nice, and now he started cleaning some of the old undercoat out of the engine bay, and we're gonna spray that. I mean, everything's looking so nice, and then it looks like crap in here. So yeah, not bad. Runs good. Slow runner. Be back in a little bit. Okay, now that I get this manifold off, which was a complete battle, we had exhaust leaks everywhere, so we're gonna take care of that. But more than anything, this manifold is cracked all the way around. So we're going to weld that back up and get it back on the car, and hopefully that takes care of some issues, so it won't have a massive exhaust leak and sound like absolute garbage anymore. So I'm going to get to that, go downstairs, clean this up, and start welding it. Well, we're partially welded back up. I'm going to let it cool down. Looks like crap, but I'm also feeling cracks all the way around it. But I'm going to do a couple passes over it just to give it a little more strength than the last time. And let it cool down, wire brush it off some more, clean it up, and give it another pass. Alright, I got it all welded up, finished it off with a MIG. I couldn't get my TIG torch back there, it was real tight, so finished it off with a MIG. I gotta go get some copper seal. I'm gonna retap these threads down here. They're not the greatest looking. I don't know what he did. Probably get some bolts because the studs make it almost impossible to get the manifold on. So I'm gonna run to the store, get some copper seal for the gaskets, some bolts, and then go from there. I'll be right back. Hopefully get this thing on. All right, I got it all retapped, threaded, new bolts, copper sealed up. I got to tighten the bottom too. All welded, no more cracks, and we're on the home stretch here. Yeah, have it running here shortly, I believe. I'm gonna take a break for a few minutes and address some other stuff like lunch. But yeah, we're looking good so far. I mean, we won't have any more leaks here. So yeah, I just got to tighten that one and the one way in the back, which are kind of a pain in the ass to get to. So yeah, we'll get to it. All right, we're all back together. Just waiting for him to show up with antifreeze, and then we'll get this thing fired up and go for a ride. It'll probably sound a little bit better, just my guess. Yeah, it needs a lot of work, but he doesn't, I don't know. Do it as it comes along, I guess, and come back with a video driving around, hopefully, and fixed. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll have the trash band Rx7 back pretty soon. We got the Rotary Miata. We'll have a couple videos of the porting of the Bridgeport 4-port Rx7 motor. Putting together the REW to go on the FC. Wiring on the Cornet, Jordan's Cornet. We got a few other projects in the lines. A couple more RX8s. And Chris's car's coming back for Turbo 2 transmission differential and a bunch of other stuff. And then we're going to crank the boost up on that now that we can. Yeah, so A lot more to come. Hopefully we can get to it before everything goes haywire and it starts snowing and stuff. But then we'll probably be in the garage working on the other Miatas, the Turbo Miata, the Rotary Miata, and possibly my 53 Pontiac. Starting to get a few parts here and there for that. Only worked on it one day this entire summer. So, yeah, more to come. Thanks.